Today I'm playing the role of Sajin Adam for the club. I welcome you all for the very first meeting of youth leadership program organized by none other than KLS IMER Toastmasters Club. So before I begin, I would like to state the mission statement of Toastmasters International. So Toastmasters International provides a supportive and positive learning experience by which members develop their leadership as well as communication skills. So there are three rules that need to be followed by all. Rule number one, all must make sure that their phone is on silent mode. Rule number two, members must refrain themselves from cross talking. Rule number three, one must make sure that they do not make any references with respect to sex, politics, and religion. So it's now the time for me to welcome the most charismatic and most active member of our club. She is the president of KLS IMER Toastmasters Club Belgavi and the chief coordinator of Youth Leadership Program. She is a life coach. Currently, she is self-employed and owner of SS company and a Toastmaster by passion. She is a volunteer at eVidyaloka. She joined Toastmasters in May 2019 and has completed her first pathway, that is innovative planning, and is in midway of the second pathway. She is a Triple Crown Award winner. She has judged the district level contest in India as well as Qatar. She is in midway of pathway mentoring program, and she has mentored a couple of Toastmasters too, and she has conducted several education sessions for the students. Her hobbies are yoga, then mentoring and traveling. She is a great communicator, effective communicator, and a great leader. She believes in leading by example. She vouches to the fact that communication works for the people who work on it. So may I welcome Toastmaster President Sandhya ma'am. Over to you, Sandhya ma'am.
Thank you, Toastmaster Nikhil, for such a stimulus welcome. Friends, the function of leadership is to produce more leaders, not more followers. A famous quote by Ralph Nader. Good evening, dear parents, beloved youth leaders, brilliant Toastmasters, and reverend guest Toastmasters. This is Toastmaster Sandhya Shekhar, coordinator of Youth Leadership Program, signing in to welcome you all in the orientation program of this mega event, WildP 2021. It's a matter of immense pleasure for me to address today to such an augustine gathering. Before we begin, I would like to seek the blessings of Almighty to shower His choicest blessings on each one of us. May God bless our noble efforts to serve our next generation in the form of WildP. I extend a very warm welcome to all the parents who enrolled their children for this copyrighted and globally popular short-term course of Toastmasters International. I would also like to welcome all the workshop presenters, DTM Sampath, DTM Surya, DTM George, DTM Venkat, and Toastmaster Dr. Achareka for consenting to take up the workshop, which is going to be a great learning experience for all the youth leaders. And these educational sessions will be the golden opportunities for all the youth leaders to directly learn and interact from distinguished and seasoned Toastmasters, not only from India, but abroad as well. Hearty welcome to all the mentors, Toastmaster Anushri, Toastmaster Deepshikha, Toastmaster Rachna, Toastmaster Shweta, and Toastmaster Tripti for lending their support for helping and mentoring the youth leaders to sharpen their public speaking skills as well as the leadership skills throughout the program. Now let us see what exactly is Youth Leadership Program. The Youth Leadership Program is designed to develop the speaking and the leadership skills of young people below the age of 18 years. By developing these skills, young people will be better prepared to meet the demands and the challenges of today's world. This is a platform where leaders are made. Participants will learn how to prepare and present a speech, how to conduct the meetings, how to listen effectively, and evaluate what they have heard. By the end of the eighth session, they will develop self confidence and interpersonal communication skills that will use for their rest of their lives. Friends, for this YLP 2021, I will be the coordinator. And being coordinator, I'll be responsible for planning and carrying out the whole program. Toastmaster Nagraj will be assistant coordinator to help me in this program. There will be educational sessions on different topics like public speaking, organizing your speech, impromptu speech, gestures, voice and vocabulary, flyer designing, etc. at the beginning of each session, followed by the youth leaders meeting. Now, I would like to discuss about the format of the meeting. As just told you, in the beginning, we are going to have the educational sessions by the seasoned Toastmasters, and after that, there will be a to speech and evaluation as well. When and where will it be conducted? It will be conducted every Saturday evening from 2nd January to 20th of February onwards on Zoom from 5 to 7. And all the youth leaders are expected to log in at 4:45 p.m. for networking and fix up if any network issues are there. I request all the parents to ensure that their children attend all the sessions. I repeat, the login time every Saturday will be 4:45 p.m. Indian Standard Time. At the end of the program, that is the eighth session, the participants will be awarded the certificates in the grand finale, which is scheduled on 20th of February. There will be a speech contest as well, and the winners will be awarded the trophies. Now I would like to invite the parents of each youth leader to introduce themselves with the name of with their name, their child's name, their profession, and what is their expectation from this YLP program. I would like to start with the first child. She is Aradhya. Can I see Aradhya's parents?
Yes, I am Aradhya parent. I am Garvit.
Yes, Mr. Garvit. Can you please introduce yourself, your child's name, your profession, and what is your expectation from YLP?
So I am Garvit Chahria, and my child's name is Aradhya Chahria. He's into class 9th. He studies in Delhi Public School from Varanasi. I am from a financial service industry. That is, we help people manage their wealth they have earned. And what I expect from this YLP program is that he might increase his vocabulary, and he might learn. He might get rid of the stage fear kind of thing. So that is what I expect.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Garvit. Now I would like to invite the next parent. You can go you can just switch on your video and mic and introduce yourselves. Or shall I call out the name? Ananya? Ananya's parents here?
Yeah, hello, ma'am. I'm Sapna, Ananya's mother.
Welcome.
Thank you. I'm a housemaker, and my daughter studies in 10th grade, Vidya Mandir High School, Bangalore.
What do you expect from us?
She's kind of a quiet child, so I'd expect that she would overcome her stage fear. and I hope she learns how to speak in public without any hesitation and stage fear. Something.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite Kashfi's parents.
Ma'am, can you give me 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure. In the meantime, I would like to invite Kirtana's parent.
Hello, ma'am.
Who is this?
I'm Kirtana.
Yeah, yes, Kirtana.
Ma'am, there's a function going on at our home. So
Okay.
my parents are unable to attend the meeting today. Only I'll be
Okay.
able to attend.
Okay.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay. You can introduce yourself, Kirtana.
Ma'am, I'm Kirtana. I'm studying in 9th from Sri Vidya Mandir High School.
Okay. What made you join this YLP program?
Ma'am, I want to gain self-confidence. Like I'll be hesitating a lot to talk in public with people. So I want to develop my self-confidence and my talking skills.
Talking or speaking?
Yes, ma'am, speaking skills.
Okay, great. Thank you, Kirtana.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Kashfi's parents, are you ready?
Yeah, hi. Good evening. This is Jyoti here. And yeah, good evening, Uncle Achrekar uncle as well. So I'm basically based in Hyderabad and my daughter is in 8th standard. And because of this lockdown, we actually are facing a lot of problems in she not speaking a lot. And that's where I'm a very close friend of Achrekar uncle's daughter, Vidya Achrekar. And that's where we got to know about this Toastmasters. And then I said, let me, introduce Kashvi to that so that she can develop her skills there where she's missing on. So this is the reason that I am putting her into this class.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I would like to invite Nikitana's parents. I hope the pronunciation is fine.
Niketana, yes, that is fine.
Niketana. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I am Anand, and I have here Niketana. So as such, I'd like to tell myself as a referee at home because I have 2 daughters, and for all of you who have a couple of kids, you know how it is at home. But my day job, I work in a software company, and so I'd like Niketana to actually go through the Toastmasters. It's a very it's a very wide and well-known entity across the world, and communication is one of the very key aspects that is going to really differentiate between someone who is ordinary versus extraordinary. So I'd like to really get the best out of this for her, and glad to be among you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now next I would like to invite Pavitra's parents. Pavitra? Are the parents of Pavitra there in the meeting? Hello? Hello? They are not there, I think.
No.
So we move.
Ma'am, she's on mute, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. Oh. Hello,
Yes,
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I'm Pavitra's mother. Pavitra is unwell. She has fever, so she's sleeping. So I'm on the session now.
Okay.
In fact, Pavitra is a very good girl at academics as well as an orator also. But I want to make her an extraordinary person in orating skills. So I have enrolled her in this Toastmasters. Since I'm residing at Belgaum, I know some of the members who are associated with Toastmasters. So with their link, I thought I better enroll her name, and I'm here. Thank you.
Great, great. Thank you, ma'am. And now I would like to invite Preetham Patil's parents, who happen to be assistant coordinator for YLP along with me. Yes, over to Toastmaster Nagraj.
Thank you very much, YLP coordinator, Madam Sandhya. Thank you so much for this great opportunity. I am Toastmaster Nagraj, and this is my son Preetham Patil. Since I am a Toastmaster myself, I have seen the transformation in myself as well. So I was really keen for my son to become a youth leader and learn the basic skills of speaking, how to speak, when to speak, and be a great leader in the future. So I know what are the benefits of this youth leadership program. So I was really eager since he was in the earliest standard. I was just waiting him to be in the 8th standard so I can get him admitted in YLP. So thank you so much, and the day is here. So thank you so much, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Toastmaster Nagraj. Now, next, I would like to invite Saish parents.
Ma'am, myself, Saish Hiremat.
Yes, ma'am.
My parents are out of station.
Okay. So you can introduce yourself.
Myself studying in Kalparuksha Model School, Bailungal, 10th standard.
Okay. What was the reason of joining YLP?
To learn communication skills and
And anything else that you are looking for?
I can speak fluently in our local language, but it is little difficult in English.
Okay.
So I have joined it.
Okay, great. Thank you. Next, Shruti's parents.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Deepa and my daughter's name is Shruti. She's in 8th standard. My daughter loves to talk, but I also think she needs to improve. She needs a lot more confidence when she talks in public and in front of others. So I am looking at seeing if she can improve her communication skills in public and oratory skills in public from this program. And we are looking forward to being a part of this.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I move to Siddharth Gajbar's parents.
Actually, I'm at my cousin's house, so my mom is a bit busy. She will come in the middle of the session. Will that be okay?
You can introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Siddharth Gajbar. I study in KL International School, Belgavi, in 9th standard. I'm pretty good at speaking, but in this lockdown, I've lost my touch. So I and my parents decided that we would join this and brush myself up. So for that, I'm here.
Okay, great.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Siddharth. Now it's time to move to Suhas Hegde. Can you please introduce yourself, Suhas Hegde, the parents of Suhas Hegde?
Hello, ma'am. I am Suhas Hegde. I study in Jnana Prabodhan Mandir, 8th standard, Belgaum.
And why did you join YLP?
I wanted to join this session because I want to improve my communication skills.
So, Suhas, I just wanted to know whether it is your choice or it's your parents' choice?
My choice.
Your choice? Great. Okay. Now I move to Tanish Praveen Kulkarni's parents. Tanish Kulkarni.
So, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I am Radhika, Tanish's mother. He's studying in Blooming But 8th standard in ICSE syllabus, ma'am. He's
great.
academically is very good, but still I want to improve his skill. Improve his skill and how to talk in public. I'm expecting from YLP.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite Vaishnavi's parents.
Good evening, ma'am. Myself, Vaishnavi. My parents are busy, so I would like to introduce myself.
Yeah, sure. Great.
Is it okay?
Go ahead. Yeah.
I'm studying in PUC first year, GSS college, and I have joined this YLP class because I want to improve my communication skills, and I'm little nervous in talking to others, so I've joined this class.
But there is no sign of nervousness which I can see, Vaishnavi. You're already very confident. You just have to brush up your skills. That's it.
Yeah, I would like to learn it from you.
Okay, we are there for you.
Thank you.
Now, thank you. Thank you. Now I move to Yashaswini Sridhar's parents.
Sridhar, Yashaswini's mother. I'm a gynecologist here in Tiptur. She is in Bangalore. She's studying in 9th standard in Sri Vidya Mandir school. We came to know about this program from the school events. They sent it through messages, so we came to know about it. So I just thought it is a little different from others, apart from academics and only studying all the time. So this will also improve her skills and abilities. So I just thought we'll enroll her for this program also. I also agree to it.
Good. Thank you. Thank you, Yashaswini's mother. Yeah. Now, I think there is one more enrollment which happened today itself. May I know the name, please, Rutu? What is the name of that child?
Ma'am, Anushka Kanbarkar.
Anushka. Do we have the parents of Anushka? Rutu, can you please check?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm just checking.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
No, they are not there? Okay. Okay, no problem. You can just inform them, okay? Okay, so dear parents, I heard your expectations.
Sandhya, we have some more people. I think there is one Kripal Shankar, there is one Mahesh Hiremat, there is one Hiranmayi. I don't think we have heard from them all.
Mr. Hiranmayi, I think.
Yep, sir, I am here.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I'm Chandramouli. I'm Hiranmayi's father, and I am from software industry. So my daughter is quite good at English, and she's quite enthused to compare, but she haven't had opportunity, and this is an opportunity where I want to make sure that she taps this opportunity to learn those skills that are required to compare and also become a good stage speaker.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Anybody else? Any parent who is left out? Can you please introduce yourself?
Two more are there. One Mahesh Hiremat, and then we have one more person also, Mr. Kripal Shankar.
Mr. Kripal. Mr. Kripal.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening to you all.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, I happen to know about the program only through him. I don't know from which friends he has got to know. But after seeing this program at the start of this, I would like to thank you very much for the opportunity being given. I'm a self-employed guy, so providing services to corporate, wherein I never had this opportunity at my age to learn all these things, and he doesn't speak much. So thanks for the precious time given to us, and I hope he succeeds in this with all of your blessings and guidings.
Hello. Hi. Hello, am I audible?
You are, ma'am. You are.
Yes, yes, ma'am, you are.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, ma'am.
Anyone else who is left out? I hope I have introduced Mr. Mahesh.
Ma'am, I have already introduced by Sai Shirema.
Yeah. So you have logged in with your father's devices. This is another device, I think, isn't it?
No, ma'am. It's my father's name.
Okay, fine. It's already done. So I think all the parents have been introduced. Okay, parents, after listening to your expectations, actually I am motivated, I'm more motivated, more encouraged to work with the children. And I'm sure that, and I'm confident also, with the help of all the seasoned Toastmasters and my team, we will be able to live up to your expectations. The expectations with which you have enrolled your children with us, and definitely with the blessings of Almighty, we'll be able to live up to your expectations. Now it's time to introduce the Assistant Coordinator, Toastmaster Nagaraj, who is going to give the briefing, or I can say the more details about YLP. Let me introduce the Toastmaster Nagaraj. Toastmaster Nagaraj is a seasoned Toastmaster who is maintenance engineer by profession and Toastmaster by passion. He has completed his pathway innovative planning within a year and won the prestigious award, that is Triple Crown winner, in District 79. He's a trainer and mentor to many Toastmasters in very different clubs. He's managing every social media platform actively, and he has taken interviews of distinguished Toastmasters as well on his YouTube channel, that is Toastmasters Talks, famously known as TNT. He joined our club this year straight from Saudi Arabia. Let us invite Toastmaster Nagaraj with a loud round of applause. Over to Toastmaster Nagaraj.
Thank you so much, Madam Sandhya, for this honor and a cheerful introduction about me. And I'm really grateful for this opportunity being given to me to introduce and brief the parents as well. So here I will share a screen. Ma'am, just let me know if it is visible to everyone. Okay.
Yes, we can see a screen.
YLP coordinator, Madam Sandhya, all the distinguished Toastmasters, mentors, youth leaders, and youth leader parents. A very warm good evening to one and all. And I would like to welcome you for the YLP 2021. This is the first time in Belgium we are going to have a youth leadership program. This program is being designed and well crafted by Toastmasters International. And this is the patented program. Toastmasters International is a non-profit educational organization that teaches public speaking and leadership skills through a worldwide network of clubs. Toastmasters International headquarters in Eaglewood, Colorado, USA. So this means this have been started in USA and based in USA. Toastmasters International was founded by Toastmaster Ralph Smedley on October 22nd, 1924. So you can imagine, since very long time, this organization been training many leaders have been created in the world. The organization serves over 358,000 members in more than 16,800 clubs in 143 countries. It means this organization is there actively involved in almost all the countries in the world. KLS IMEA Toastmasters Club is the first community club Toastmasters club formed in Belgavi on 3rd November 2018. Before, there was no Toastmaster Club in Belgium, but the initiative by our leaders, Toastmaster Achrekar, Dr. Achrekar and his team have been actively involved and made this happen to have a club installed in Belgium. KLS IMEA Club has won the trust of Belgavi community by conducting educational and social programs. The one is being conducted right now. The club has members who are working in various fields like engineering, manufacturing, doctors, and students. We are really blessed to have such a wide variety of experience in our club. The Youth Leadership Program helps the youth to build their communication and leadership skills so that they will become tomorrow's leaders in business, industries, and community. Every young person has the potential to become a good communicator and a leader, but the potential needs to be developed. And that's what this YL program is going to do for you. YL, since you've seen TM before my name, that means Toastmaster. From now onwards, all the students, those who are going to register, have been registered for this program, you will be said as YL, Youth Leaders. This 8 weeks session with unique workshop style designed enables participants to develop this potential through practical experience. So how it works? Experienced Toastmasters will be assigned as a mentors for each youth leaders. Workshop will be presented by distinguished and seasoned Toastmasters about how to prepare a speech, deliver in front of audience, evaluate others' speech, table topics. You might have heard this word for the first time, but it is also known as impromptu speaking, group discussions, and etc. Youth leaders will conduct the 8 meetings and deliver their speeches. Youth Leadership Program coordinators and other Toastmasters will guide them. Best youth leaders will be shortlisted based on the judges' report, and they will participate in the final contest. On the 8th session, we will have a contest where the youth leaders, those who have been selected by the judges, will participate and compete and win the prestigious Youth Leaders Program Award. Youth Leadership Program, this is being scheduled every Saturday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. It will be starting, for the first session will be started on 2nd January 2020 to 20th February 2021. So what are the benefits? What your kids will be getting out of this, and what we are going to give them? Overcome nervousness when speaking before an audience. Organize and present ideas logically and convincingly. When you speak to someone, when you put your ideas, those have to be convincing and logically as well. So these skills will be developed in your children. Listen carefully to the ideas of others. Mostly we speak, we lack the listening. So when you evaluate other speech, when you learn to evaluate other speech, you will learn to listen carefully. That is one of the key elements of any communication. Offer advice to help others to improve their speaking and leadership skills. This community, Toastmaster fraternity, is all about helping each other. We share and we grow. Same way, you can offer your advice to others to improve their skills. Lead and participate in group discussions and meetings. You will be given opportunity to lead the meetings, craft agenda, and have a group discussion with fellow youth leaders and learn how to communicate with each other. There has been one survey being done in the world, and after the death, the second most fear is the public speaking. It's always scary when you are facing an audience, but with this program, definitely you will be coming out of this fear, and I hope all the youth leaders and their parents give their full commitment. The commitment have to be from both the sides, the parents as well as the youth leaders, and take this opportunity and make sure you are going to be a great leader in the future for our nation, for our community. Thank you very much. And the second session will be question and answer session that will be conducted by our president of our club and coordinator of youth leadership program, Madam Sandhya Shekhar. Thank you very much, madam, and over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Nagraj, for such a detailed briefing to the parents. Marvelously done. Toastmaster Nagraj, can I request you to share the screen with the agenda? Yeah. Can you magnify it or put it in the landscape? Yeah, fine, better. Thank you. Thank you, Toastmaster Nagraj. It's time now for the question answer sessions. And for this, as Toastmaster Nagraj has told, I'm going to moderate this session, for which we are honored to have a panel of seasoned Toastmasters with us today. And they are here to answer your queries. Let me introduce them one by one. We have DTM Sampath, who is a doctorate in chemistry from IIT Madras. DTM George, popularly known as a walking dictionary. DTM Surya from ICTM Qatar Club. And Dr. Achrekar, who is the past area director of District 92, happens to be in our club, that is KLS IMEA Toastmasters. So the floor is open for you. You can just shoot up your questions. You can just unmute your mic, please, and feel free to ask any question, any query that you have. Yes, parents or the youth leaders, anyone? I can see Kashvi's mom is smiling. Yeah, you have any question, Kashvi, or your mom?
No, ma'am, I don't have any questions as of now.
Okay, your mom, she wants to ask something?
No, we were just discussing how is the date, I mean, every weekly going to be there. So, you know, because we don't know the plan, how it is. So that's what something that I was checking with her. You want to ask that?
Ma'am, as in the briefing session and in my address also, I said that the timing will be 5 to 7. The meeting will be conducted on Zoom. And we expect the youth leaders to log in at 4:45. In that 5 to 7 session, it will be divided into 2 parts. First session will have the education session that will be conducted by all the senior Toastmasters, distinguished Toastmasters. Okay. The topics, as Toastmaster Nagraj also said in his briefing, that the topics will be like organizing the speech, how to organize the speech, how to prepare for the impromptu speeches, then how to deliver the speech, what is exactly public speaking, what is communication. All these things will be covered up in the workshop that will be taken by senior Toastmasters. After that session, there will be youth leaders meeting. And in that meeting, the youth leaders will be trained in such a manner that all the 3 segments are conducted by them only. Whether it is the delivering a speech, whether it is talking on the spot, that is impromptu speaking, or it is evaluation of a speech. Everything will be done by the youth leaders, and for them to support, we have mentors. We have 5 mentors, and each mentor has been assigned 3 children, 3 youth leaders. Now we'll not call them as kids or children, we'll call them as youth leaders. Okay. So they will be trained for everything, whether it is about the delivering the speech or whether it is how to speak on the spot, how to evaluate a particular person, because evaluation is also a technique, isn't it? So that what is that technique, how you can evaluate a speech, those things also will be told. And side by side, it is not only the public speaking that we are going to cover, we are going to cover the leadership skills also, right? So they will be trained to take up the leadership role also. So every meeting, they will have a youth leader as a president or a vice president or a secretary or a sergeant at arms. Like today in the meeting, when we started the meeting, you must have seen Toastmaster Nikhil opened the meeting, and we call this position as Sergeant at Arms, right? So similarly, in youth leadership program, this will be done by the youth leaders only.
Okay.
Then, like I addressed, I was like Sergeant at Arms called me to address the meeting. Similarly, youth leaders will be having a president who will be presiding over the meeting. He will be the presiding officer. Okay. Then we'll have a secretary. Secretary is going to present the minutes of the meeting. Okay. And every speech will be time-bound speech. Like suppose if a youth leader has to deliver a speech for 3 to 5 minutes or 4 to 5 minutes. So within that time only, he or she has to deliver the speech. And for delivering the speech, what is important? The first step is to write the speech, for which the training will be provided. They will be writing this, they will be asked to write the speech, the editing of the speech or the help will be rendered by the assigned mentors. Then we expect the youth leaders to learn that speech and record. They will be recording their speeches and it will be sent to the mentor. The mentors will make the correction. And finally, the youth leaders are going to deliver on the assigned date. And this opportunity will be given to each and every youth leader. All the 17 youth leaders will be given this opportunity, whether it is to deliver the speech or it is for evaluation or it is for leadership roles. I hope this answers your question.
Yeah, very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Anybody else? Any question?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Yashaswini.
Glad to meet you again. I just wanted to ask, what is the full form of PR you've put in front of our names? What is the full form of PR?
Yes, Toastmaster Nagraj, can you tell this?
It is just to identify as a parent.
Okay,
Parents.
fine.
So it is just to identify the parents and the coordinating members.
Couldn't understand it first because it's just it would be YL or something else, but it was PR, so I couldn't understand.
Okay, it is now PR because parents are there. From next session onwards, everyone have to put their name as YL, youth leaders. So parents will not be.
My parent is not here now.
Okay.
She went. She introduced and she has to go for some case.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
No problem. No problem. Okay. So as Toastmaster Nagraj has just told you that the next, the first session onwards, you are going to rename yourself as YL. Okay. Youth leader and then your first name. Correct? Because I think we will be able to see only that much. Is it clear to all the youth leaders?
Yes.
I hope you all know how to rename yourself. Yes, you all know how to rename yourself?
Yes.
Great.
Virtual classes
By
have made me know.
Correct. Now, any other question?
Ma'am, this is Anand. So thank you for that very detailed note about the concept and how it's done. So just wanted to know if they will be needing access to a laptop for preparing for the speech or any of the other things. I mean, what would be needed from the youth leader?
DTM George, would you like to answer this question?
Thank you so much. And this is a very critical question to all the parents as well as the youth leaders. I think it's always a good idea to have a laptop for the youth leaders, or if they have any other device that will really help them access the program, access the speeches delivered by other people, it's okay. But basically, it's always a brilliant idea to have a laptop. And that way they can directly interact with the other youth leaders. They can also access the available resources that are made available to all the youth leaders. In my humble opinion, it's a good idea to have a laptop, a dedicated laptop, which of course they can use it for other purposes too, for their day-to-day classes and lessons. It's always a good idea.
Thank you, Dr. George.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other parent?
Sandhya, may I also say something?
Yes, sir. Please.
I believe you will be forming a WhatsApp group of all the participants.
Sir, it is already created.
So, in addition to having a laptop, probably they need to have access to a mobile device through which they can.
I think there is some network issue from Surya sir's end. Surya sir, we are not able to hear you. Maybe you can just switch off your video.
Yes, and respond in manner to clarification.
Surya sir, we couldn't hear you.
I think, ma'am, he would like to know whether or not it is important to have a WhatsApp group, but you have already answered.
Yeah. I think all the parents are the part of, the youth leaders are the part of that WhatsApp group. I would like to ask the parent what is the purpose? Can you please tell me what is the purpose? Why have you formed this WhatsApp group?
Interaction.
Regular. We will be in touch with each other. Okay. And there are some youth leaders whose I think the number of parents is different, and it's in the WhatsApp group, it is only youth leaders numbers. So for that, I expect parents that by chance, if your child misses any message or whatever, maybe because of some other reason also, any reason. So in that case, it's your responsibility only to ensure that, yes, they are attending every session. Okay, because as it is a very short-term course. It is a only 8-week session. So ensure that they are not missing any session for any pretext. Okay. So WhatsApp group has been already created, and we will be posting the agenda also for every session. It will be posted 3 days before or 4 days before. What exactly we are going to do in the next session, and which child is going to deliver the speech, who will be the president, who will be the sergeant-at-arms, what all roles will be there. Okay. So you don't have to bother about it, what exactly they will be there. We all will be conveying the things in advance, but please ensure that if by chance the child is hesitating to deliver the speech, if you have any query, you can just directly either get in touch with me, or you can talk to the mentor or so. But ensure that because it is a triangle, I can say. It is a student, parent, and the YLP committee support. With these 3 things only, we will be able to make the difference, whatever we have planned for. And then only it is possible for us to live up to your expectations. So I think that I'll be getting the full cooperation, full cooperation from the parents.
Right, बंद केली नाहीस देविका, मी हे करणार तुला बडवून काढीन सांगतोय.
Siddharth.
I think the microphone is on.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
this is also, technical, I can say, thing that you have to keep in your mind that
Ma'am,
if you have
can
to.
you introduce our mentors?
Yeah. You can see the agenda that is also there. That is a part of that. Did you see the agenda? Right now, what is going on? Tanish?
Ma'am, it is going on Q&A.
Right. After that, what do we have? Just look at the agenda, Tanish. Or any other youth leader can speak.
Introduction of mentors is the next.
Yeah, Suhas, Yashaswini, you all have to speak, it is an interactive session going on. Any other question if you have, you can just take that question. Otherwise, we'll.
Hello.
Yes, who is this?
Ma'am, I'm Sunita Pawar here.
Yeah, Sunita, tell me.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, my daughter, she is in 7th standard. She's studying in JHS school.
Yeah.
Yeah, can she attend the session, ma'am? And is there any age limit?
Ma'am, first of all, I would like to tell you that, we have the children for YLP, we have taken the children from grade 8 to grade 11. This is one thing. And second thing, I'm glad to share with you all that the registrations are already closed. We had actually, we planned the date as 26, but we had to close it before that only, because whatever number of whiles youth leaders we had expected, all the enrollments were done beforehand only.
Okay.
So maybe next time when your daughter, as it is, your daughter will be next year in class 8, and in the second session of youth leader, you can just enroll your daughter.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. I will be wait for the chance, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely. It will be soon.
Yeah.
It will be soon. Don't worry.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yes. Any other parent want to ask anything?
Ma'am, if
Ma'am, can I share my knowledge? Can I share a little bit?
Yeah, Yashaswini.
Many people didn't talk. That is because of theory of conformity. It is called theory of conformity. Now, when many people won't talk, that is where leaders come in place. That is where someone has to step up and talk, or else no one will ever talk, never ever speak, or ever do anything. So we have to break that wall of conformity, and you have to stand up for yourself.
DTM George, would you like to comment on this?
Absolutely. She's absolutely right. Now, some people are very adamant. They are not willing to break their barriers and build bridges. They're not willing to reach out to other people. They are where they are. They love to be in their own comfort zones. But for such people, this is a wonderful program. We are the leaders. We are going to motivate them no matter what happens. We're not just going to leave any stone unturned in our efforts to motivate them. Once they get motivated, they will automatically be on their own. That's the purpose of it. We're going to just help them develop not only communication skills, but also to enhance their personal confidence and self-esteem. And some children refuse to be interactive primarily because they are not able to. There's a kind of low self-esteem that seems to be, helping them withdraw within themselves. But we are going to help them break out of that shell and be part of the mainstream communicators and leaders. So here, the role to be performed by every Toastmaster related to or associated with this wonderful program is very significant. And we cannot measure all the children and their ability to learn with the same yardstick.
Correct.
And their abilities are different. So there are some children who are very hesitant, reluctant to be part of the program, but our target should be those children. And then only we'll be able to reach out to the larger community. I think with our concerted, coordinated effort, we'll be able to help those children to interact effectively like everybody else. So let the parents rest assured that we are here to lend a hand to them. Did I answer the question, ma'am?
Yashaswini?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, DTM George.
You're
Dr.
welcome.
Dr. Kamlakar? Dr. Achrekar?
Yes, I'm here.
Would you like to say something to the kids and the parents?
At the outset, I feel really envy for all these kids because we never had such programs during our time. Whatever these communication or the leadership skills, etc., we really learned it in a very, very hard way. And that was most important for any successful enterprise. But now I only request all these children to just come out, take out their own inhibitions. Many times whenever we try to speak, always we start thinking whether will I be able to speak properly, what other people will think about me, whether it will be a right thing to talk to me. So many questions will keep coming. So in the bargain, that inhibition will not allow the child, particularly which I really faced during my childhood, will not be able to communicate at all. Somehow with a lot of efforts, we had to take out that inhibition and then start, forget about the failures, etc. Even if I blurt out something nonsense and if somebody ridicules me also, doesn't matter. There is no way to learn. So that's how we could bypass these hurdles and try to do something. Now these children are indeed, and I should really congratulate and compliment these parents, who have taken so much of a care. It shows that they are so much concerned about their kids. They don't want their kids to just grow like that. They want to really excel in every field. I really congratulate all these parents that they have brought their children, and I hope all these children will make the best use out of this particular program. And I was just reminded of the statement given by the 32nd President of America, he's Franklin Roosevelt. And he always used to say, we cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for a better future. So what we are doing here, we are building our youth for a better future. So with this, I wish all the best, and I wish all the children to take the most benefit out of it.
Thank you, Dr. Achrekar. And I think we have Gavalier Shashank also with us.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Shashank.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Great that you have joined us.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to introduce yourself first, which is really going to be encouraging and motivating for each and every youth leader?
Sure, of course, ma'am. Yes. Hello, my fellow friends. I'm not that much superior, or I'm not that much great than all of you. You all are doing a great job, actually. So kudos for all of you for that. To say, actually, there is something called Gavel Club, affiliation of Toastmasters International. So there are, same like Toastmasters Club, there are millions of Gavel clubs around the globe. So I'm one of the members of those Gavel clubs. So I think I'm doing my job great. So first of all, thank you, Sandhya ma'am, for inviting me, first of all. To introduce me, actually, I'm not that much good communicator. I'm not a good communicator. But leadership is my piece of cake. Because leadership is very, very easy for me. And team collaboration, if you ask me in anything like team collaboration, networking, even I'm a good, I think I'm a good poster designer. I'm a public relation. I think someone had asked something called what's PR. PR is nothing but, if it's a Toastmasters, it's nothing but public relations. So I think I'm one of the good leaders and designers too. So it's nothing but all your spirits, and you have to connect through everybody and not just sit in one place. I'm not saying that like home, or don't ever sit in just a place like school or office. For elders, it's office or anything. So just connect with everybody. So not only your career or your school life would be improved, but every lives you live would be improved. That's the great thing out of this YLP program, I believe. And I actually request every parents to also give gadgets, because kids like us will never be cheating, and we do justice for everything you all suggest us. So I request parents, and for sure, and I think I'm one of the educational speakers for you. So for sure, apart from communication, you should learn leadership skills, because the tagline of Toastmasters International is not where communicators are made, but it's where leaders are made. So of course, you should be a great leader, and I think I'm overwhelming you all. I just wake up from your sleep. Thank you, and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Gavalier Shashank. I hope you people have not missed that line when he said that he is going to be a workshop presenter. I'm not going to disclose the date, but he is going to take a educational session, and the topic is a surprise for you all, and I'm sure that you're going to enjoy. So it is not only the senior seasoned Toastmasters who are going to take the workshops, it's the Gavalier also. And Shashank, in which class are you in?
I'm actually class 9, ma'am, in Chennai, actually.
Yeah, I know that. So he is just in grade 9, and he is there in the Gavaliers Club, I think, for the last how many years, Shashank?
It's, I think, 1.5 years, ma'am. I was one of the founding members of my club.
Great. Glad to know this.
Thank you.
Shashank, your club is in Nanganallur?
Yes, I am. Yes.
Okay, I know the club. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so with this, I think there is no more questions left. Can we wind up the question answer session, parents?
Ma'am, if there are some youth leaders, if they want to speak for a couple of seconds.
Any youth leader?
If they want to speak.
Is there any youth leader who want to speak?
Yeah, ma'am, Siddharth, ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth.
Yeah, I'm sorry for the interruption that time. And the other thing was, if in case that should not happen, but if in case anybody is unwell, so they can just put it on the group, or how's the process?
DTM Sampath, I would like you to please invite to answer this question.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay. Good evening. All the medical doctors are not taking the question when somebody is unwell. They are asking a scientist doctor to take up that question. Good evening, all my young ladies and gentlemen. How are you? How are you? Say something.
Fine.
At least
Currently fine, sir.
We are
fine,
sir.
Fine, sir.
We are fine, sir.
Why I am very glad about you taking this step is you are doing it for yourself, not for your parents or uncle or friends or a brother or teacher or anybody else. Because you are voluntarily coming here, you are going to enjoy every bit of it. One of the important points about this participation is attendance. It has to be very regular. Even if somebody is not well, that day may not be, he or she may not be able to do the role, give a speech or something, but still you be there and watch the whole proceedings at least. If you cannot give a speech on that particular day because you are having fever, okay, you can postpone it to the next week, but you should attend it. So that in Toastmasters, Gavaliers, or youth leadership program everywhere, a big chunk of the learning comes from observing. One person in your group cannot keep talking for 2 hours. So, but he can keep observing for 2 hours. So don't miss that. Even if you are not well, attend the meeting and drink every bit of it, though you may postpone your own role to the next time. Does that answer that? Does that answer that question?
Siddharth?
Yeah, sir, it completely does. Thank you.
Thank you, DTM Sampath, for answering the question. Any other question? Any youth
And
leader?
And one more. To add to what Dr. Saurirajan said, the most important thing is now that you have signed up for this program, put this in your calendar first and schedule everything else around it. Let this be your priority. Then only you will commit to yourself that you will attend this program. The moment you say, I can skip one session, you will actually see that it will not be one session, you will miss multiple sessions because you become permissive. So don't give yourself the permission to skip even one session.
Even to add up to,
Yeah, sir.
this is Shashank here. So even to add up to Surya sir, I guess. So to say actually, this is one of the best programs I have ever seen. I might be missing my online classes, but this would never miss you to leave just a session, even just a session, because the collaboration and the team you are speaking with is just not like the same members you speak in your area or your school, or no, we like every Gavel club or Toastmasters club have some better quality, like it may also like those who don't like to have a good leadership, you have good communication, and those communication, these can be implemented even in your life, but even you, it's not like only speaking here and go to your home, but you will take back something which if your enemy, or if someone who is not speaking in your family or a friends community or anybody, you can influence them, and even not influencing, but you know how to communicate with them. Then communication, it's not only like giving speeches or playing roles, but it plays interior or in interior of your life, something like even you can convince everybody, and there are many things in communication. It's a bliss actually. And I think this YLP is one of the boosts given by your parents for you, and for sure you would never miss it. After, you may feel that after 1 or 2 sessions, I had felt it, oh, why should I come to these sessions? It's waste of my time. I will sit in my home. I will never ever take my phone just for that particular 2 hours. But after some time, like it took me for 6 months. For the past 6 months, I know that value of this Toastmasters. But before the 6 months, we did not have that much communication because we were not connected. We were just there in one venue and we were speaking. But here, you may have lot of connections, not only in your area, not your family, your area, your city, your country, but across 143 countries, you would be gaining that connection. That's very important for you. And even in your future, you would get a lot of jobs or something like that if you connect with people. So that's the power of communication. And I think I took a lot of time of you all. You all. Thank you.
Thank you, Gavalier Shashank. Any other youth leader has any question?
Yeah, this is youth leader Pritam. And
Yes, Pritam.
yeah, and I study in class 8. and I have joined YLP for improving my communication skills. I do make YouTube videos and teach programming, and
Great.
I'm really nervous when I make those videos, and my voice is just very weird. And I do hope after I finish this program, I will be a good speaker.
Yes, Preetham, you will be.
Thank you.
Yes, any other youth leader?
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, this is youth leader Nagaraj. Yeah, in my Toastmasters journey as experience, I have attended a couple of youth leadership programs, and I can proudly tell that whatever experience today I have, the confidence I have, there is a big part of share from the youth leadership program. We will learn a lot of things from the youth leaders. They seems to be nervous at the first session, but end of the session, the 8th session, you will see the transformation. The parents, I can guarantee you, your kids are going to be best speakers, great leaders. Unless your commitment is full, 100% commitment due to this session. This is all the 8 sessions are unique. Everything is different in each and every session. So do not try to skip any of the sessions. Attend all the sessions and make sure you will use this 100%. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Toastmaster
Excuse you,
Nagaraj.
ma'am.
Yeah, who is this?
Ma'am, this is Siddharth, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Siddharth.
I think it is a dumb question, but still I would ask it.
See,
Because,
question is question. Question
yeah.
is question. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
go ahead.
ma'am, why are we called youth leaders? We should be called ought to be a youth leader, right? We are still not the youth leaders.
DTM Surya, would you like to answer this question, please? Is that available?
Ma'am, Dr. Prakash Mugli is there. Maybe if you can ask him.
Acha, he is there? Okay. Yeah, Dr. Prakash Mugli, did you hear the question? I don't think he's there. Dr. Prakash?
Yes, I heard the question.
Yes, sir. Can you please answer this question?
Yeah, first of all, it's a wonderful question. I'm sorry, I didn't note who asked it.
It is Siddharth.
Siddharth, it's a very good
Yeah.
question. And just to correct, as Sandhya ma'am told, no question is silly or stupid. Only the answer can be stupid. Question is always a wonderful question. So why are we called as youth leaders and not called as ought to be youth leaders? Because we all believe that every person is a leader already. It's a process of uncovering those or removing those negative
Layers.
qualities or the weaknesses that are there, so that whatever positives and strengths you have, they start appearing vibrantly. So you're already a leader, and this process is going to be only to take off all those negatives. So that's why you're already a leader. I hope you got the answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you.
Siddharth, just to add on this, we are here to sharpen the skills that you have already got. Everybody's got the skill, So these skills we need to sharpen. And that is what we are going to do in this YLP. Thank you, Siddharth.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody else wants to ask anything? So I think we can wind up. Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah.
sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Just last one probably. So will there be another forum where the parent can actually participate along with the youth leader and see or
It will be the last session, sir. The 8th session where we have the grand finale.
Okay.
So in that only the parents will be the part. Otherwise, in the remaining sessions, it will be only for the youth leaders.
Got it. Okay. Thank you.
Anyone else has any query?
Ma'am, can I say something, please?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, if the parents would like to attend Toastmasters meeting, you are most welcome to attend our club meetings. That is apart from this youth leadership program. So you can have an experience of Toastmasters, how the meetings are being held. So same way you can just teach your youth leaders.
Sure, sir.
Yes, please. That will be.
Time permits, surely we will join.
We'll share the time and date. You can just join our club meetings as well.
Sure.
And that is for the people who are above 18.
And even ma'am, can I add up something like, can youth leaders even join Gavel clubs as
Gavel
guests?
club.
Are they
Shashank
allowed?
we will be providing all this information on the grand finale day.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Right now we are just focusing on the YLP. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Sorry for interrupting.
It's okay.
Sorry.
No problem. No issues.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Siddharth again.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I had lost my connection in between. So I couldn't hear the part in which Nagaraj sir told about the grand finale and the other thing. So can you just...
Nagaraj sir was actually talking about like if the parents want to attend the program along with the youth leaders, whether
not that part.
The other part. Yeah, the other part was regarding that for the parents, we have another program that is Toastmasters regular meeting program. So the details will be furnished to the parents, and we'll invite them to attend our club meetings, regular club meeting that happens every Wednesday.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
This is apart from youth leadership program.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it's time to wind up the question answer round.
Yes. Lastly, I would like to speak.
Who is that? Introduce yourself.
It's Pavitra's mother.
Okay. Yes, Pavitra's mom.
Really a wonderful session. I could hear all the interactions and even meet the mentors here, few mentors. So glad to be with you all, and hoping all the positivity from your side and our side too.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
I would like to thank all the panelists, all the seasoned Toastmasters, Gavelier Shashank, DTM Surya, DTM Sampath, DTM George, and Dr. Acharekar, Dr. Prakash Mugli as well, to answer all the queries which was related to YLP and provided the other information also. Now it's time to switch over to the next session, that is Introduction of Mentors and Workshop Presenters, for which I would like to call upon Toastmaster Ritu to introduce all the workshop presenters and mentors. Before that, I would like to introduce Toastmaster Ritu. Toastmaster Ritu is pursuing her MBA in HR from KLS IMER Toastmasters Belgaum. KLS IMER Belgaum. She is a fun-loving, easygoing person with reasonably good social skills. Her hobbies include traveling, trekking, drawing, and dancing. You know, the rule and the principle of her life is to have a positive mindset, to keep and create positive vibes around her, as well as for others too. She believes in a very famous quote, that is, actions speak louder than words. Friends, let us all put our hands together to welcome Toastmaster Ritu to introduce all the workshop presenters and mentors. Over to Toastmaster Ritu.
Thank you, President Toastmaster Sandhya ma'am. Nagaraj sir, could you please share the screen? So only the first screen for now. So only the first screen.
Sorry?
So only the first screen.
This
First
one?
slide.
Only the first slide. First slide.
This one?
No, the first slide itself you need to show right now.
This is the first slide.
Yeah. A very warm good evening. This is Toastmaster Rutu P. Suryabankar. It's my honor and privilege to introduce the distinguished personalities who have taken up the responsibility of creating leaders through the RARE Youth Leadership Training Program. There are plethora of distinguished personalities as resource persons and mentors, who I will be introducing to the august gathering present today. ITM Rachana Mathur is from Lucknow Toastmasters Club and she is currently, or rather, the outgoing president of a club. She has been a Toastmaster for more than 2 years. It is indeed been her privilege to be associated with Youth Leadership Program Training 2021. She is an educator by profession and is working as a teacher facilitator in one of the public schools of Lucknow. We welcome you, Toastmaster Rachana ma'am. Toastmaster Dipshika Jaiswal is an architect by profession and currently working as a freelancer architect. She is from JTC, that is Dubai Toastmasters Club, Saudi Arabia, Arab. She has joined the club this year in the month of February, and her Toastmasters journey has been amazing so far and is expecting to get better and better. For this project of hers, she is eagerly looking forward to interact with the youth leaders and exchange their experience and grow together. We welcome you, Toastmaster Dipshika. Toastmaster Anushri Deshmukh is from Gulbarga, Karnataka, who is currently staying in Saudi Arabia from past 20 years. She is an art graduate and is specialized in commercial art. She is currently serving as a freelance artist and is also a proud homemaker. Speaking about her roles, Toastmasters, she is currently a member of NISA, the proud Jubail Toastmasters Club. She is very much privileged to be the part of this industrious YLP training program for the year 2021. Dr. Tripti Shah is a doctorate from qualification, teacher by profession, and Toastmasters by passion. She has been in Toastmasters field from last 3 years and is an active member of 2 clubs. She is a writer and a speaker by passion, a thought designer by intention, a life coach by compassion. We welcome you, Toastmaster Tripti, ma'am. Toastmaster Shweta. Toastmaster Shweta is at present working as an ESOL faculty at Allen Career Institute. She has touched many lives through seminars and workshops. She is also an assistant area director, club growth at Toastmaster International serving Bihar and Jharkhand. She is also the club coach for IIM Ranchi Toastmasters Club and co-founder of ESL Toastmaster Club, ESL Steel Bokaro. She is moving ahead in her life, keeping the purpose of bringing change in society through her writing skills. She has many accolades in the sack of her life as a public speaker, including winning the area-level international speech contest twice. She has great love towards reading, traveling, nature blogging, and spending the time with her family. She completely believes in the motto, "Involve to evolve." Also, through her books, she wants to convey the same message. She tells, get yourself involved in sculpting your life beautifully, to evolve as a masterpiece. Books that she has authored are She Met Life. Life at Crossroads is yet at the publishing stage. We welcome you, Toastmaster Shweta. It's now for the time for me to introduce the project presenters for the upcoming meetings. So next slide. DTM George is Assistant Professor at the Royal Commission's Industrial College for the past 25 years. He is an international speech he has won the international speech as the first runner-up at division level in the year 2003, when the entire Saudi Arabia was a division in District 79 that consisted of 7 countries in the Middle East. He has been an evaluator for quite a many times and as well as the table topic winner at the same level. In the year 2019, he has been the champion for the humorous speech which was conducted at the district level. He is a motivational speaker and a workshop presenter as well. He is a mentor and a member of 4 Toastmasters clubs. His hobbies include reading, creative writing, public speaking, enjoying music, and cooking. We welcome you, DTM George. DTM Venkat is a proud family member of District 79 KSA for more than 12 years and is currently the member of District 79 in the Leadership Committee. He is a proud member and a past president of Jubail Toastmasters Club. He is the co-founder and mentor of Jubail Tamil Toastmasters and an advisor of Elite Stars Advanced Toastmasters Club. He is a past director of Division L, a humble workshop presenter, a mentor and coach. He is associated with various leadership programs for more than 10 years and has trained more than 500 young leaders till date. We welcome you, DTM Venkat. DTM Sampath sir. He is a retired scientist and has been Toastmasters from 2001. He has done club roles which includes roles such as President, Vice President Education, Vice President Membership, Vice President Public Relations, Sergeant at Arms, officially or unofficially. He was Area Governor Division at Division Conference Chair District TLI Chair. He has also been mentor to many and trainer many times. So next slide. So next slide. Yes, sir. So next slide. DTM Surya is a strategic planning professional with 30 years of experience across India, UAE, and Qatar. He's teaching maths and mentoring youngsters for personality development and soft skills are passionate hobbies of his. He has been a part of Toastmasters since the year 2012. He is currently member of 3 Toastmasters Club in Qatar. He is a counselor of the largest Gavel Club in Qatar. His past involvement in several youth leadership programs as advisor, coordinator, mentor, as well as session facilitator. He was the advisor for 2 mega youth leadership programs recently for students of Delhi and Tirupati that together served about 350 participants. We welcome you, DTM Surya. So next. Toastmaster Dr. Prakash Achrekar. Curiosity and enthusiasm are inborn nature of every child. Keep this child alive within you, irrespective of age. Dr. Achrekar is a firm believer of this statement. Despite an alluring job as urologist he decided to move to Belgavi in the year 1987 to pioneer his urological services to the people of North Karnataka. Right from younger days, public speaking has been his passion. As a result, he played the instrumental role in starting the Toastmasters Club in Belgaum as a charter president. Very soon, Toastmaster Achrekar sir was nominated as the area director with which he created an identity of a club in the district. We welcome you, Toastmaster Dr. Achrekar, sir. Toastmaster Shashank is from Rivers Dream Gavel Club, Nanganalluru, currently studying in 9th grade at Chennai. He has a great interest in graphic designing, which made his Toastmasters career as BPPR for his club. He is a budding musician too. I welcome you all to the Youth Leadership Program of the year 2021. The next slide. So this slide tells about or gives a list of the youth leaders along with their mentors.
Toastmaster
The youth leaders
Ritu,
have been... Yes, ma'am.
I'll take up this.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Toastmaster Ritu. Thank you, Toastmaster Ritu, for introducing our mentors and the seasoned Toastmasters who are going to take the workshops. And definitely we all are going to enrich. It's not only the youth leaders, we all are going to enrich ourselves with their experience. Moving on to the next slide that you can see on the screen. And then as per the agenda, it is the folder distribution and assigning mentors. So I'll take up the second part first, since the slide is already there on the screen, that is assigning the mentors. And you all were very curious to know that who is going to be the mentor of whom. So should I read out the names, or I'll just call out your names and you can just tell the name of the mentor? Okay, will that be okay? Okay. I would like to know the name of the mentor of Ananya. Ananya, can you please tell the name of your mentor?
Yes, ma'am. TM Anushri ma'am is my mentor. That's the assigned mentor.
Great, great. Next is Aradhya Chaharia. Aradhya Chaharia?
Yeah, I am here.
Yeah, tell me.
My mentor is Toastmaster Deepshika ma'am.
Great. Next, Hiranmay.
Ma'am, my mentor is Toastmaster Rachna.
Great. Kashvi?
Ma'am, my Toastmaster is Toastmaster Shweta, ma'am.
She is not your Toastmaster. She is your mentor, okay?
Sorry.
And don't say sorry. We all are here to learn, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So Kashvi, she is your mentor. Who is your mentor? Can you please repeat once again?
My mentor is Toastmaster Shweta, ma'am.
Great. Then Kirtana.
Hello, ma'am. My mentor is Toastmaster Trupti, ma'am.
Great. Then next is Kripal.
Ma'am, my Toastmasters mentor is Anushri, ma'am.
Toastmaster Anushri, ma'am. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Nikitana.
My mentor is Toastmaster Deepshika, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then Pavitra. Who is your mentor?
My mentor is Toastmaster Rachana, ma'am.
Great. Then Saish. Who is your mentor?
Toastmaster Tripti, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Shruti.
Ma'am, my mentor is Toastmaster Anushri, ma'am.
Toastmaster Anushri, ma'am. Good. Then Siddharth Gajwar.
Ma'am, my mentor is Toastmaster Deepshika, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, next is Suhas Hegde.
Ma'am, I'm not visible.
What is not visible?
The mentors list.
It is not visible to you? Okay, I'll tell you. Suhas Hegde, your mentor is Toastmaster Rachna.
Okay, thank you.
Then, next in the line we have Tanish Kulkarni.
Yes, ma'am. My mentor is Toastmaster Shweta, ma'am.
Great. Next, Vaishnavi. Who is your mentor?
My mentor is Toastmaster Tripti ma'am.
Good. Then we have Yashaswini.
Toastmaster Anushri ma'am is my mentor.
Toastmaster Anushri. And last we have Anushka. Rutu, since Anushka is not there, please inform her, okay, about the mentor.
Yes, ma'am.
It is Toastmaster Deepshika.
Ma'am, you skipped number 9.
Sorry?
You skipped number 9, I said.
What is number 9? Who's this?
Sir's son, Preetham Patil.
Sai? Oh. Okay, yes, Preetham.
Yeah, my mentor
Can we please
is Toastmaster Shweta, ma'am.
Toastmaster Shweta. Now I would like to ask these mentors to just say hello to your mentees. I start with Toastmaster Deepshika.
Ma'am, Toastmaster Deepshika and Anushi, they are in contest now. Their contest is right now.
Okay. It's already started.
They are
Okay,
on
no
the
problem.
meeting, but muted.
Okay, no problem. We have Toastmaster Rachna, I believe, with us.
Yes, Toastmaster Sandhya, I'm right here. And I'm so happy to have these mentees with me. This is Youth Leader Hiranmai. Hello, dear. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly.
Yes,
Am I
ma'am,
right?
it's
Hiranmai. Hiranmai. Such a beautiful
Hiranmai.
name. Hiranmai. Wow. Such a beautiful name. And I can see you have lovely eyes.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, and then my next mentee is Toastmaster Pavitra. Hello, Pavitra. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you
I'm
doing?
I'm all
Great.
good, ma'am. What about you?
Great. We are going to have a wonderful time together. And
Yes, ma'am.
my third mentee, sorry, I'm so used to Toastmaster word. So, Youth Leader Suhas. Hello, Suhas. How are you?
Hello, mentor.
You can call me ma'am. Just say ma'am. That would be fine. Okay, that's wonderful. And we'll get in touch, and we are going to have a wonderful learning experience. As much as more than you, I'm going to be learning so many things from you all. So
Yes,
we'll get in touch, and we look forward to a wonderful sessions ahead. So over to you,
Yes, ma'am.
President Sandhya, ma'am.
Thank you, Toastmaster Rachna. And I'm sure that these kids are going to teach us a lot.
Yes, I can
Isn't
see
it?
that. Yes, really. It's
They are
a learning
looking so
experience for us
enthusiastic.
also.
Yeah,
Yes.
they are looking so enthusiastic.
Same
Maybe
here,
today
ma'am.
they are, today maybe they are in front of the parent, they are not sharing, but 2nd January onwards, it will be these kids and youth leaders rather, and we. So we are going to have a good interactive session. We all are going to enjoy all these 8 sessions, and we all will look forward for every session. Yes,
Sure,
to
ma'am.
youth
Yes,
leaders? Yes, youth leaders?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, ma'am.
Thumbs
We
up.
all will be there. We all will be attending all the 8 sessions. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great,
ma'am.
great,
Yes,
great,
ma'am.
great. Now, one thing is left, which we would like to tell you all, that there is a dress code for you all. You have to wear blazers. You need to be formally dressed. I hope you all have got the blazers. You can wear the school blazers, no problem.
Yeah, ma'am. We've got it. No problem. Ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, did you say this for all of the youth leaders?
All the sessions, sir. All the sessions.
Yeah. Sandhya ma'am, hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah, you are back. Okay, great.
Yeah. Yeah, I was a target speaker for today contest actually.
Yeah. So your speech is over? Speech is over,
Yeah,
Deepshika?
it's over. Yeah, it's over.
Okay. So
Yeah,
you
I
can
was
just
hearing.
introduce yourself.
Yeah, good evening, everyone, and my dear mentees. I'm being mentee for the first time, mentor for the first time, and you are being mentee for the first time. That makes 2 of us. And one thing I can assure you, it's gonna be a wonderful experience for like all of us. So my first mentee is Aradhya, right? Aradhya, hello?
It's Aradhya.
Oh, okay, it's Aradhya. Yeah, I can see your screen.
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
hello,
ma'am.
Aradhya. How are you?
Perfectly fine, ma'am.
Yeah. So, and my second mentee is Nikatanand, right?
Niketana.
Niketna. Yeah, hi, Niketna. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Yeah.
Yeah.
And my third mentee is Siddharth. Hi. Hello, Siddharth.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, how are you,
Hello, ma'am.
Siddharth?
I'm
Yeah,
good,
hi.
ma'am.
Yeah. And the fourth one is Anushka, right? Anushka, you there? Hello? Am I audible, Sandhya ma'am?
Yeah, you
Hello?
are very much audible.
Yeah. I think my fourth mentee is not there, right? Anushka.
Yeah, Anushka
Yeah.
is not there, but she'll be there, very much there on our second. Don't worry.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you, Toastmaster Deepshika. And now I would like to invite the next mentor, Toastmaster Shweta. Toastmaster Shweta, are you there?
Yes, I am here, Sandhya ma'am.
Yes.
So, hello, how are you? Yes. How are you all? So, this is Shweta Maheshwari, Toastmaster Shweta Maheshwari, your mentor. And my mentees are Kashvi,
Yes,
Preetham, and Anish. Can I have a look at you? First of all, Kashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
It's
Kashvi.
actually pronounced as Kashvi.
Okay, Kashvi. Okay, I'm so sorry for this. So,
Ma'am,
how are
no
you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very good. It would be great to work with you. So I'm happy that I'm a part of this youth leadership program and will be helping you out to my best to all three of you.
Yes,
And the
ma'am.
next is Preetham. Preetham, can I have
Yeah, ma'am. How
some
are
interaction? Yes, Preetham, let me check. Where are you?
Nagaraj. You can check Nagaraj, Toastmaster Nagaraj. He's there.
Okay. Hi, Preetham. How are you?
Yeah, I'm
Now
fine.
I can see
How
you.
about you?
Yeah, I'm very good. Very good.
I'm really glad to have you as my mentor.
Thank you so much. I'm also really finding it very good to mentor you. I'll try my best and we'll do our best to do what we can do together. Okay. So be in touch. Wherever you get stuck, please
Yeah, ma'am.
call
Sure.
anytime. Yeah. Thank you. So the third one is Tanish. Tanish, are you here, beta? Can I see you?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Hello. So let me check. Where are you? Yes, I can see you.
Yes.
Wow. Great to
Really
see
glad
you.
to have you as my mentor.
Thank you so much. So we'll work together and
Yes, ma'am.
yay. Okay. Bye.
Thank
So
you.
over to you, Toastmaster Sandhya. Yes.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shweta.
Thank you.
I think we all are blessed to have such experienced mentors, experienced workshop presenters, and we all are going to have a great learning session for all the 8 weeks. Children, the one thing I would like to ask you, look at the screen and just check your spellings. If any correction is there, please do let me know right now so that when we write your certificates, there is no spelling mistake. We'll be going by this spelling.
Ma'am, the serial number for my name should be added. It's 6. The serial number has been missed out.
No, you just check the spelling.
Spelling is
of
proper.
your name. Don't worry about the serial number.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine?
Sorry for interrupting, ma'am.
It's okay. And I hope you have noted the phone numbers also of your mentors.
Yeah, ma'am, I've taken the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm giving you 1 minute time. Please note down the phone numbers of your mentors and stay connected with them.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry for the interruption.
Yeah.
I had a doubt about the dress etiquette. Is the blazer even meant for the girls? Because I don't really have one.
What about your school blazer?
Ma'am, we don't have blazers for our school uniform.
Anything formal dress code has to be there. She mean to be that. Ma'am was about to say that.
If you can arrange the blazer, that will be great because everybody will be in the blazer. Otherwise, it's fine, but you can just wear your school uniform or any formal dress.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, like every session we should wear blazer.
Yeah.
And we can share this list in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, we will be sharing. We'll be sharing. Now, the assigning of the mentor is done. Now, I come to the first part of this, that is folders distribution. Now, what is there in the folders distribution? The study it is about, I'm going to talk about the study material. We have dispatched already the study material to you all. Okay. If you have not received, you'll be receiving in a day or two. By chance, if you do not receive that material by 30th of January, please inform us. In the packet, you will get a youth leadership workbook. There is a notepad in that. Then there is a pen. And inside the workbook, you will find one evaluation sheet, which you are going to use when you evaluate a speech. Clear? Whatever sessions are mentioned in the workbook, we will be going as per those sessions only. The meeting agenda will be also as per the sessions which are mentioned in your workbook. Okay. Now, what will happen on the 2nd January? I'll just give you a brief in the very first session. We'll have an educational workshop. After that, we'll have an introduction exercise that we call it as get acquainted exercise, where you are going to introduce yourself. You'll be given 1 minute, 1 to 1.5 minute time to introduce yourself. Okay. On the way you introduce yourself, we will be forming the groups. So please ensure that you are giving your bestest of the best introduction on 2nd, so that on the basis of that, you will be allotted a group. So there will be a group A and then group B. And after that, what will be your role, what exactly you have to do, how you have to do, we all will work together with you and then guide you accordingly. Clear? So just now, only one task is there. First, which I told you, if you do not receive your folder by 30th of December, please inform. Second thing, just prepare your introduction, whatever you want to tell about yourself. Clear? Any questions? Otherwise, we can wind up the session.
Ma'am, when will be our introduction? Ma'am, please can you do that?
2nd January. 2nd January.
Thank you.
Okay. Can we wind up the session now? Any query, any doubt which you have?
No, ma'am.
Otherwise, I can propose the vote of thanks. All right. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the parents to enroll their children for YLP 2021 and attending today's orientation program. I would also like to thank all the workshop presenters, DTM Sampath, DTM Surya, DTM George, DTM Venkat, and Dr. Toastmaster Achareka, who will be enriching all the youth leaders with their experience of public speaking. I would also like to thank all the mentors, Toastmaster Anushri, Toastmaster Deepshika, Toastmaster Rachna, Toastmaster Shweta, and Toastmaster Tripti for lending their support for mentoring the youth leaders so that they are able to sharpen their public speaking skills and leadership skills throughout the entire program. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the members of my committee, like Advisory Committee, Finance Committee, PR Committee, Registration Committee, and our District 92 officials who really worked tirelessly to make the arrangements for YLP scheduled to start from 2nd of January 2021. With this, we come to the end of parents briefing session. See you all in the youth leaders first session on 2nd of January 2021. Please log in at 4:45 to 5 p.m. will be your networking and fixation of your network problems. And 5 o'clock sharp, we start the meeting. Toastmaster is, Toastmaster, or it is any program of Toastmaster, always start on time. So please do not delay. With this, I would like to say goodbye to you all. Have a great week ahead.